Hello student. Today's topic is from inequalities. So we will work out some inequalities and find out value, which value is greater than or less than. First thing, symbol. What is a symbol and how we can write down inequality symbols. Yeah, inequality symbols. So there is a that one symbol called, this is a second symbol called, and this is third, this is fourth, and you know that this symbol is called equal. So now there is a, you can see one side is a face open and face close. You can say face open and face close. The sign of face open sign is always be a larger value, greater value or larger value, large, greater, and same as it is in there in a face close is must be a smaller and less than that value, less value. So now we can say that this value is open face and a closed face. So it means that side is, I can say that that's closed side. So this side is called, you can write down here, less than whatever value should be there. And this value is called greater than. These are similar, but there's one thing added in there. So now you can see that this sign is belong to an equal sign. So we can say that if I write down here, this is face open now on that side. So I can say that that's a greater than, and this sign represent equal, and this same thing less than, and equal, and this is obviously everyone knows that that sign is belongs to an equal sign. So that will help in using our algebra some expressions, and they will give value. And then the first thing we types of number, you remember that. So if they saying that this number is equal to or less than, if I give you an example that might help on that. So if I go to a question, so let's see. So sometimes they were asking if they write down any number. They said that 4 So now, if they say that, that's the fill in the blanks like. They say that what is the relation between 4 and 3? What relation is it? So you need to think about inequalities. So the first thing should be, oh, 4 is greater than 3. So which sign we will use? We can say that this sign, 4 is greater than 3. So this is our right answer. If I write down in here, -5 and -7. What is the relation between these two numbers? So if I explain you on here on number line, this is our number line. That start from 0 and we're going right hand side that we want to increasing values. If I go back, that we're going to be decreasing value. Decrease means less than value. So this gonna be more easy. Now 5 belongs here, this line, and 7 belongs here. So which is a smaller? So now you can see that 2 is bigger than 1, 1 is bigger than 0, 0 is bigger than 1, minus 1 is bigger than minus 5. So minus 5 is bigger than minus 7. So we can say that minus 5 is greater sign because minus 5 is greater than 7. So that represent that kind of question. If I write on it here, sometimes they is using some different method. If I write on it here, I'll give you an example of that one. So 6x is greater than, I can write on 12. So find, and I write down here, x is belong to set of which numbers? Natural numbers or any numbers. Like natural numbers, you know that natural numbers belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to unlimited. If they say that x is belong to whole number, then I can write this starting with 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. If they say that x is belong to set of integers, in integers they can come value 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to so on. Or they said that positive integer, or they said that negative integer. Anything, any set, just for explanation. So now first of all, whatever we need to find out a value, solve equation. We need to solve equation. Which function is it? This is algebraic expression. First we need to solve that one. So 6 is multiplied. Then we need to divide by on both sides. Divide by 6 in here. Divide by 6 in here. Yes. So we divide x greater than, how many 6 goes to 12? 2. 2. So x is greater than 2. So what is the value of x should be? Because they said that x is greater than 2. If they are belong to a natural number, if I selected that one, natural number. So you can see natural number are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to so on. So which number represent? So 2 is included or not? So if I draw a number line, if I write on here, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. So 2, whenever they said that x is greater than means only they are using greater sign, bigger value. So always we need to leave this value open and greater than, bigger value, more than 2. So the value should be not 2 included. So except 2 we will collect all value 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. If the question says differently, like if I write down and say that if x is greater than and equal to 4, then what to do? Greater than and equal to. So this is 4, isn't it? We can select this one and greater than going to forward. So now this is a greater sign comes up. If they said that equal as well, so that becomes a solid because the 4 is included in there. So when the 4 is included, so we can collect how many values we collect. We collect 4 as well. 5, 6, 7 up to so on. These called are inequalities. So sometimes the question says giving some information we have to collect. So I give you another example. So in this example, the x belongs to integer. They both comes with positive and negative. I write down here. Yeah. So we find the value of x. The question comes up, find x belong to sets of integers. And they no showed, they never said that is a positive or negative. So it means they all integers comes in it. So the question is 3x minus 4x, and the sign says less than 3. Yes, less than 3. Now, first of all, these are like term. Like term. We need to solve these one. So 3x take away 4x. Both have opposite sign. So answer will be x. But sign decide the large number, which is 4. So minus x equal means less than 3. So one more thing, if this has a positive sign, this has a negative sign. One more thing you need to remember, when we change sign, then inequality should be changed also. They must change inequality. If this is a less than sign, then they convert to the bigger than sign, larger sign. If the sign is negative, we convert that negative, we sending this negative here, and that become positive x, and that becomes negative 3. And then inequality was greater, and then they becomes less than on that side. So we can say that x is greater than minus 3. Greater than minus 3. So this is our minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to so on. So minus 3, greater than minus 3. Opened, circle, and to the right. So 3 include? No, 3 is not included. So which value we will get in here? So we can say that the answer x is equal to 3 not included, so more than 3 is included. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, up to infinity. These values are countable. So if you need more practice, so you can find out some more examples and practice at home. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you.